Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking in and hanging out with me today on a shop with me at Curious Nature. Curious Nature is located in downtown Phoenix and it is a fine science and natural history emporium that carries and sells ethically sourced taxidermy skulls and bones to exotic plants and collectibles and gifts. Not only is this a store, but they also have taxidermy classes and offers an assortment of oddities and museum quality specimens. I love obscure shops like this. I think they are so unique and authentic, and they are a little edgy, but I love it. I grew up with Buffy the Vampire Slayer, so this just puts me right into Joss Whedon's world. Let me know in the comments below if you have any shops like this in your town. As I was browsing, the employees were so helpful and welcoming and definitely broke down where all of the bones and butterflies and jellyfish, everything came from. And they did tell me that most of the animals passed away from natural cause. So I really liked that bit of knowledge. Coyote bones, deer jaws, ostrich eggs, some of these things I have never seen before in person, so I got a big kick out of all of this. Especially these alligator claws. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is crazy, but I love it. These butterflies are so majestic and beautiful and unique in their own right. They all stand out in their own way, different colors, shapes, sizes. I want to get them all. I love them all. They're so beautiful. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. As I was browsing, I really got connected to the butterflies, so I wanted to find a really cute one that matched me that I could take home. These insects are crazy. Alright, so what really caught my eye with the Curious Nature store was these beautiful moss balls. Are so unique, and I'm telling you, I could definitely vibe with it. I am taking one of these home. I just have to figure out which one I love best. And they're all just gorgeous. I want them all. Let me know in the comments below if you have a moss ball or have seen one of these. I have not. That's why I'm like, oh, they're gorgeous. And after all that thought, I finally chose the perfect one. And I can't wait to display this. It is so beautiful. And now I really want a beautiful butterfly to go with it. And I saw these at the corner of my eye. They're cute little coasters with a gorgeous butterfly embedded in there. And I think this one is really me because sunflowers are my favorite color. So I really thought that looked like a sunflower. But the first one that I picked up with the blue and turquoise, I think those colors are gorgeous and really stands out as being one of a kind. I don't know which one to get. I want them both. What do you all think? Do you like the sunflower or the colorful one more? Wow, everyone, this was one of the coolest shop with me's I've done. I really enjoyed Curious Nature and believe that is a one-of-a-kind, unique store here in Phoenix. So I have to show you all what I picked up and something I am so excited for. The moss ball. It is home with me and my succulents now. I adored this the moment I walked into the store. They're beautiful and unique, and the care for this moss ball is very minimal. I just have to change out the water weekly, and that is it. So I also had to get my butterfly, and I went with the turquoise wings because, like I said, it is so one of a kind and really stands out, and I love butterflies. I think she is so beautiful, and the whole process of a butterfly is beautiful. So this will be displayed on my desk. I like to take off my rings and watches right when I come into the door. So this will be displaying some of my rings, or like I'm showing you here, like for nail photos at the end of my videos. I really like that as well. Let me know in the comments below what you all think. And like I said, I'm going to put my little moss ball next to my succulents that I have on my south-facing window. And my beautiful butterfly will be displayed on my desk. Thank you all so much for shopping with me today at Curious Nature. I had a blast showing you all around, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Happy Friday, and be safe. Bye.